Hello, Katikura, Kuya Tony. Happy golden anniversary sa inyo. Wishing you more kisses, more love, more hugs, and more blessings. Happy golden anniversary sa inyong dalawa. I love you, boss, Katikura, and Kuya Tony.
Hello po, Carl's Papa and Mama. Happy 50th wedding anniversary po sa inyo. Naway pagpalain pa po kayo ng Panginoon na maraming taon pang magkasama. Wishing you both good health and nothing but the best. Naway makabisita po kayo ulit dito soon. On behalf of the Kaasi family, happy wedding anniversary po sa inyo.
Auntie Cora, Uncle Tony, happy golden anniversary po. I'm proud and happy in your